Hola amigos, bienvenido a mi canal, Canal Español. ¿Cómo estás? No estoy bien, and that's why I have made the video for you today. I have fever and cough and cold, and my throat are hurting. My throat hurts. So in Spanish, it would be tengo fiebre y tos y me duele la garganta. Tengo fiebre y tos y también me duele la garganta. My throat hurts. Throat is garganta and fiebre and cough and cold is fiebre y tos. So tengo fiebre y tos y también me duele la garganta. Hope you like it and hope you can learn something from this video, some vocabulary and this whenever you have cough and cold and fever and your throat hurts, then you can tell this. So hope you like it and hope you can enjoy from this video. And please like, share and subscribe my video, and as much as you can share, then it would be helpful for me. So bye, nos vemos en el próximo video. Till then, take care, bye, and with that I love you always. Be safe, be healthy, enjoy your life. Bye.